Hi everyone, I am Lewis. Welcome to Learnable. Today, we will learn about finding the angles in quadrilaterals, step by step. So, let's start. In all quadrilaterals, all four angles sum to 360 degrees. In a square, as the length of all sides are equal, and not tilted, all four angles are 90 degrees. In a rectangle, all angles are also 90 degrees, but only length of opposite sides are equal, not all four sides. A parallelogram is similar to a rectangle. However, the angles are no longer 90 degrees, as the lines are tilted. As length of opposite sides are same and parallel, the opposite angles are equal to each other. In a parallelogram, the sum of angles, next to each side, makes up 180 degrees. For example, in PQRS parallelogram. For the side, RS, if you know the angle or SP, you can find the angle QRS, which is 180 degrees minus RSP. Isn't it interesting? Now, let's look at a rhombus. It is similar to a square. All sides are equal in length, but tilted, with opposite sides parallel to each other. Just like a parallelogram, opposite angles of a rhombus is equal, and the sum of angles next to each side is 180 degrees. We see that square, rectangle, parallelogram and rhombus is very close to each other. Now, let's see a different type of quadrilateral. That is trapezium. A trapezium has two sides parallel to each other, and other two sides are not. Its opposite angles are not equal, but the sum of angles between the pair of parallel sides is 180 degrees. Very interesting, right? So, in this trapezium ABCD, AB and CD sides are parallel, but BC and D sides are not. And between the parallel sides, if you know the angle X, you can calculate, and find out the angle Y. As we know now, X plus Y equals 180 degrees. Nonetheless, all four angles in a trapezium add up to 360 degrees. In summary, we learned today: square and rectangle have all their angles at 90 degrees. Parallelogram and rhombus have same opposite angles, and sum of angles next to each side is 180 degrees. Trapezium does not have same opposite angles 180 degrees. In all quadrilaterals, all four angles sum to 360 degrees.